Dear users, we're excited to introduce a next-generation product in the Ultima ecosystem, the Ultima Trading platform. This platform features automated trading bots designed for spot trading, the TPTU/USDT pair, across various cryptocurrency exchanges. In this guide, we'll explain a new feature on the platform, Reactivation. This function allows you to reconnect an already activated bot from one exchange to another. We'll use the example of switching a bot from MEXC to BingX. To begin the reactivation process, go to your settings by clicking this button. A window will appear showing the current exchange your bot is connected to. To change the exchange, click the Change button. A notification will appear informing you that switching exchanges involves full bot reactivation. Important. Here's what this means. 1. The bot's progress in terms of profit percent will be retained. 2. The order history will not be saved on the dashboard and will remain only on the exchange you used. 3. To activate the bot on the new exchange, you will need to fully fund the balance with the amount required to start operating under the license you purchased. 4. The exchange switch does not affect open orders on the current exchange. That means if your bot has open limit buy, sell orders on the current exchange, they will not close automatically. They'll remain open until filled. So when switching exchanges, make sure no open orders are left behind to avoid potential fund loss. After reviewing the rules, check both boxes and click Confirm. You will now be taken to the exchange selection menu. Choose the exchange you want to connect to and click Continue. You'll be directed to the bot activation screen where you'll need to generate API keys for the new exchange, BingX, or enter existing ones. Then click Integrate. Done. We've successfully reconnected your trading bot to the exchange.